Good morning, good morning. How do you do? How do you do? Good morning, good morning. I am fine. How are you? Yes? Yes, children. What? So, everybody, come on, sing with me. All are going to sing with me. Chalo, stand up, everyone. And you all are going to sing with me. Chalo, fast, loudly. Say, good morning, good morning. How do you do? How do you do? Come on, everyone. Say, Shivansh, good morning, good morning. How do you do? I want everybody to say with me. Stand up. Yes, very good. Good morning, good morning. How do you do? How do you do? Good morning, good morning. I am fine. How are you? Yes, how are you all? Are you all fine? Are you all fine? Yes? Yes, very good. Okay, so one more time. Chalo, say everybody. Good morning, good morning. How do you do? How do you do? Good morning, good morning. I am fine. How are you? How are you? Yes, very good. A very good morning to everybody. Yes, good morning. Okay, so sit down, everyone. A very good morning to each and everyone. Okay, I think all are fine and happy. Yes or no? You all are fine and happy? Yes. So let's start with our today's topic. Yes. So, yes, very good. All are fine and happy. Very nice. Okay. So, today what we are going to learn? Which topic? Can anyone guess? Can anybody guess what we are going to learn today? Let me see who is going to give me the answer. Let me see who know what we are going to learn today. Yes? Arnopal, unmute yourself and say what we are going to learn today. Rajveer, sit down, beta.
EVS.
EVS. Okay, today is EVS. Can I ask you, beta, why are you catching a bag, holding your bag? Yes? Remove your bag. Bag utaro. Yes? Okay. So, Arnav, which topic is there today? What did we said now? अभी टीचर ने आपको क्या बोला? अभी टीचर ने आपको क्या बोला? अभी हमने एक दूसरे को क्या बोला? आपने टीचर को क्या बोला एंड टीचर ने आपको क्या बोला? यस? क्या बोला?
Hi.
हाय एंड व्हाट एल्स? और क्या बोला टीचर ने?
Good morning.
Yes,
Good
good
morning.
morning. Yes, very good. So Arnav, when we say good morning, हम good morning कब बोलते हैं? When do we say good morning? Yes, in the morning. Subah. Very good. Now, what is in my hand? Can you see this?
Clock.
Clock. Okay. So what do clock show? Clock हमें क्या दिखाता है? क्या दिखाता है clock?
Time.
Time. Yes, clock shows us time. And what we do? हम clock को देखते हैं and हम क्या करते हैं time देखने के बाद? What we do? आप क्लॉक देखते हो ना? मॉर्निंग में देखते हो, इवनिंग में देखते हो, आफ्टरनून में देखते हो, नाइट को देखते हो. क्यों देखते हो आप क्लॉक? कैन एनीवन गिव मी द आंसर? व्हाई डू वी सी द क्लॉक? यस सिद्धि, श्रव्या, राजवीर, कैन एनीबॉडी गिव मी द आंसर? व्हाई डू वी लुक एट द क्लॉक? Yes, Hansini Himani is having the answer. Let me see. What is the answer? Why do we look at the clock? Yes, Hansini Himani. Yes. Why do we look at the clock daily?
Time.
To know the time. And what we do on that time? हम time पे क्या करते हैं? What we do on the time?
Work.
Yes, we do our work. Yes or no? The whole work. हमारे कितने सारे काम होते हैं ना? Yes, we look at the clock, we see the time and we do our work. Yes. Okay. So what work we do? The time. क्लॉक हमें कौन सा टाइम दिखाता है? कभी से कभी तक का टाइम दिखाता है हमें क्लॉक. कभी से कभी तक का टाइम दिखाता है हमें क्लॉक?
Morning. Morning.
यस, फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल मॉर्निंग ही बताता है, सिर्फ मॉर्निंग का टाइम बताता है. यस,
Afternoon.
afternoon and morning, afternoon and what else? Night. Yes, so the clock shows us the time of, yes, good morning. Morning, afternoon, evening and night. Yes, so clock shows us the time of morning, afternoon, evening and night. And by looking this clock, what we do our work. हम पूरा दिन अपना काम करते हैं ना. Very good, Hansini, Himani and Arnav. Now you can mute yourself. Very good, very nice. बहुत अच्छे से आंसर दिया है. Okay, very good. Nobody is going to raise your hand. If you have any doubt, please type in the chat box. Yes, so yes, we look at the clock, we see the time. हम क्या करते हैं? क्लॉक को देखते हैं, हम टाइम देखते हैं. Yes or no? The morning and till night, पूरा दिन पे जो टाइम होता है, and वो पूरा दिन हम क्या करते हैं? We do our work from day to night. So today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn about day and night. What we are going to learn? Day and night. Yes, so the whole day and night what we do, हम क्या करते हैं? Full whole day and night what we do. So today we are going to learn what activity we do during the day and during the night. So today we will be learning that what activities are done during the day and in the night. So today we will be learning about day and night. Yes, so before I start with the lecture, I am going to share a small video. So all are ready? Okay. Was my, yes, video audible? Hope everybody have enjoyed the video. Yes? Okay. So what did we saw? We saw that day, about the day and night. What we saw? Now it is what? Now who is going to give me the answer? What is there now? अभी क्या है? Day है या night है? कौन मुझे बताएगा? अभी क्या है? Day है या night है? Aditi Chandare, unmute yourself. Yes, Aditi.
Yes,
Now you are going to say me it is day or night. अभी क्या है? Which time is going on? Day time. How do you come to know? आपको कैसे पता चला अभी डे है? कैसे पता चला आपको? Now it is day. क्या है? Hello? Yes, Aditi. How did you come to know it is day? आपको कैसे पता चला अभी डे है? Yes, Siddhi. Yes, children. How did you come to know it is day? हमें कैसे पता चलता है अभी डे है? Who is going to give me the answer? Who is going to give me the answer? How do you come to know that it is daytime? Yes. Let me see. Who is going to give me the answer? Yes, Naomi. Unmute yourself and say me. How did you come to know it is a daytime? कैसे पता चला आपको daytime है? हाँ? कहाँ है sun? Where is the sun? Sun किधर है? Where can you see the sun? Sun कहाँ पे होता है? Where is the sun? Where can you find the sun, children? Where can you find the sun? Sun किधर होता है हमारे घर में? In our house? No, then in the sky. So during the day, what do you see during the day? During the day, what can you see? Sun. Yes, during the day we can see sun. Very good, Naomi. Very nice. Okay, now you can mute yourself. So children, here I'm going to share today's document. Yes, and what we are going to learn today? We will be learning about day and night, and what the activities we do during the day and what activities are done during the night. We are going to study today all about day and night. So here is the document for today. Yes, okay. So what is our topic? About day and night. Yes. So now I'm going to unmute. Yes. And now already Naomi said that during the day, what we see in the sky. Yes, children, during the day, what do we see in the sky? We see sun. Yes. And how is the sky during the day? During the day, sky कैसा होता है? Yes, Abhijit. How is the sky during the day? Day time पे sky कैसा दिखाई देता है अभिजीत आपको? Now you can see. Yes. अभी सन जब आता है ड्यूरिंग द डे तो आपको स्काई कैसे दिखाई देता है?
Green.
यस आरोही, यू कैन ड्रिंक. ग्रीन दिखाई देता है. ग्रीन कलर का स्काई होता है. देन कौन से कलर का स्काई होता है बताओ मुझे? ब्लू कलर स्काई. यस. एंड यू कैन सी एवरीवेयर ब्राइट. सब जगह पे उजाला होता है ना, रोशनी होती है ना ड्यूरिंग द डे. यस. आप पूरा दिन लाइट ऑन करके बैठते हो? नहीं ना, बिकॉज इट इज ब्राइट एवरीवेयर. देयर इज ब्राइट, रोशनी होती है एवरीवेयर. यस. एंड अभिजीत, ड्यूरिंग द नाइट व्हाट कैन यू फाइंड? क्या दिखाई देता है आपको नाइट के टाइम पे? व्हाट कैन यू सी?
Chandamama.
Yes, we can see moon. And what else? Moon. Don't say Chanda Mama. We have to say moon. And what else, children? What can we see during the night? During night, we can see moons and stars, twinkling stars in the sky. And how is the sky during the night? रात के टाइम पे स्काई का कैसे दिखाई देता है स्काई? Yes, children. How can we see the sky? What is the color of the sky during the night? Yes. कैसा होता है अभिजीत? आप रात के टाइम पे स्काई देखते हो, कैसा होता है?
Black.
रोशनी होती है कि अंधेरा होता है? इट इज डार्क और लाइट?
Andhera.
अंधेरा,
अंधेरा।
डार्क है ना सब जगह पे. यस, यू हैव टू लाइट ऑन द लाइट. आपको लाइट्स ऑन करने पड़ते हैं. यस और नो? यस. So during the day there is light everywhere. We can see sun. And what can we see during the day? हमें सिर्फ sun दिखाई देता है, light दिखाई देता है, और क्या देख सकते हो आप? Yes, Arohi, very good. Black moon. The moon is not black, beta. The sky is black. We can see the moon and star. Yes. Yes. Okay. Very good, Abhijit. Now you can mute yourself. Now here I'm going to unmute. Let me see who is going to give me the answer. Suven Padi. Yes, Suven, are you there? Yes, Suven. And what can you find during the day? और क्या दिखाई देता है आपको डे टाइम पे? सन दिखाई देता है. And what else, Suven?
Night.
You can see the light. And what else? आप जब देखते हो विंडो के बाहर during the day, तो आपको क्या क्या दिखाई देता है विंडो के बाहर स्काई में? What can you see? Yes, Suven.
धूप.
Say loudly.
Cloud.
You can see the clouds. And what else? और क्या दिखाई देता है आसमान में? Can you see the birds flying in the sky? Yes. Can you see the birds flying in the sky? Yes. So during the day we can see all the peoples are working. We can see the birds flying in the sky. The sky is bright. Yes or no? And we also do many activities during the day. Yes, very good, Suven. And we also do many activities during the day. Yes or no? Yes. So let us see. Yes. So let us talk with our girls. What our girls do during the day. Okay. So now I'm going to unmute my girls and I'm going to ask, आप पूरा दिन क्या क्या करते हो? From morning till night, what you do? So here I'm going to unmute. Let me see who is going to give me the answer. Yes. Shravani. Unmute yourself, Shravani. And Shravani, say me what you do during the day. आप morning से लेके night तक आप क्या क्या करती हो मुझे बताओ. Now this is a clock. At what time you get up? What you do after getting up? आप क्या क्या करती हो मुझे बताओ. चलो. Fast.
नहीं करती.
At what time you get up? आप कौन से टाइम पे उठती हो? Yes, at what time? Say fast.
8 o'clock.
Okay, you get up at 8 o'clock. Yes. Again, see children, we look at the clock and we get up at 8 o'clock. So you get up at 8 o'clock. After 8 o'clock, after getting up, what do you do? What do you do after getting up?
Nothing.
Yes, you do brushing. Very nice. Very good. Okay, Shravani get up at 8 o'clock. She do her brushing. She takes her bath. Okay, very nice. And now let me ask Antra. Antra, what you do? After brushing, at what time you get up and what else you do in the morning? Yes, Antra?
Teacher.
हाँ, आप मॉर्निंग में उठते हो, ब्रश करते हो, यू हैव योर बाथ, आप स्नान वगैरह करते हो. आफ्टर डूइंग दैट व्हाट यू डू?
Yes.
क्या करती हो उसके बाद? यस, व्हाट यू हैव?
Toilet.
अच्छा, यू गो टू द टॉयलेट, यू टेक योर बाथ, आप स्नान करते हो. देन आफ्टर डूइंग दैट, आफ्टर दैट यस,
After that.
आप और कुछ नहीं करते हो? आप कुछ खाते नहीं हो? Yes, you don't have.
Teacher.
Yes. Do you have your breakfast? Do you have your breakfast? Yes. Then you have your breakfast. So children, during the morning time, हम जो भी नाश्ता करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Breakfast. What do we say? It is said as breakfast. And yes, today is your birthday. I know, beta, and we are going to wish you after the lecture. हम सब लोग आपको wish करेंगे. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Antara. Okay, very good. Welcome. Now you can mute yourself. Okay, so now I'm going to unmute. Let me see who is going to give me the answer. Manasvi. Yes, Manasvi. You get up at what time? Yes. आप कितने बजे उठते हो? Fast. Manasvi. Yes. So what you do after getting up? आप क्या करती हो? Do you have your breakfast? आप breakfast करती हो बेटा?
बोल ब्रेकफास्ट करते हम बोल.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So you have your breakfast. So morning में हम जो नाश्ता करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Breakfast. Okay, Sanvi, unmute yourself, Sanvi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Sanvi. Okay, so what you do? What is your daily routine? Can you say me?
Yes. Yes.
Chalo. Okay, let me see what you do.
मैं 7 o'clock उठती हूँ.
Very good.
फ्रेश होती हूँ.
हाँ, very nice.
फिर ब्रेकफास्ट करती हूँ.
Okay, आप breakfast करते हो then.
फिर ऑनलाइन क्लास करती हूँ.
Yes, आप लोग ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स भी अटेंड करते हो. वेरी गुड. फ्रॉम 10 to 12 यू अटेंड योर ऑनलाइन लेक्चर. सो आफ्टर 12 o'clock कौन सा टाइमिंग होता है बेटा? अभी ये मॉर्निंग टाइम हो गया. आफ्टर 12 o'clock इट इज व्हाट टाइम? इट इज मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग और आफ्टरनून? व्हाट इट इज? Yes, it is afternoon. Yes, very good. So children, during morning we say good morning and afternoon we say good afternoon. So in the afternoon what you do, Sanvi, after the lectures? What you do?
लंच करती हूँ.
Yes. So whatever you eat during the afternoon, it is known as lunch, children. In the morning, जब हम morning में खाते हैं, it is known as breakfast. And during the afternoon time, after 12 o'clock, आप जो भी खाते हो खाना, it is known as lunch. Very good. Very nice, Sanvi. Very good. Now you can mute yourself. Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, this is the routine of our girls. Our girls are saying they get up at morning at by 7 or 8. They fresh up. वो अपने आप को fresh करते. They have their breakfast. Then they attend the lectures. Now let us speak with our boys. What our boys are doing? Yes, let me know what our boys are doing. हमारे boys क्या करते हैं? Yes, Ayush Tiwari. At what time do you get up, Ayush? Yes, I'm going to ask each and everyone. Don't worry. Yes, Ayush Tiwari, where are you? Okay. So what do you do during the day? At what time you get up? Yes, Ayush Tiwari. What time you get up? आप कितने बजे उठते हो? Yes, Ruth and Dolce, I'm going to ask you also. Don't worry, beta. 8 o'clock. You get up at 8 o'clock, and after getting up at 8 o'clock, what do you do, Ayush? Yes, आप 8 बजे उठते हो. उसके बाद आप क्या करते हो? वापस से सो जाते हो 8 बजे उठने के बाद?
8 बजे उठने के बाद
वापस से सो जाता हूँ, है ना?
वापस से
नहीं.
सो जाता हूँ. मैं उसके
हाँ.
बाद थोड़ी देर मोबाइल देखता हूँ, उसके बाद टीवी देखता हूँ, उसके बाद
ओके, आप मॉर्निंग में उठ के थोड़ा बाहर देखते हो, फिर टीवी भी देखते हो. वेरी गुड. यस, ऑल माय बॉयज. आप लोग सुबह उठ के टेलीविजन देखते हो, मुझे पता है. सब लोग कार्टून देखते हैं सुबह उठ के, है ना? यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस. ओके आयुष, सो यू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग. यस, आप थोड़ा बाहर देखते हो, देन यू वॉच योर टीवी, एंड आफ्टर वॉचिंग द टीवी व्हाट यू डू? Yes. Okay, let me ask somebody else. Let me see what my other boys are doing. Yes, Rajveer Kamre, what you do? At what time do you get up? Yes? Yes, Rajveer? 8 o'clock. You also get up at 8 o'clock. Okay, so what you do after getting up at 8 o'clock? Yes?
brush.
Okay, you brush your teeth. You take a bath. आप स्नान करते हो, fresh होते हो. After doing that, do you have your breakfast?
Breakfast.
Yes. What do you have in your breakfast? Breakfast में क्या खाते हो? What do you have in your breakfast?
Breakfast.
नाश्ता में क्या करते हो बेटा? ब्रेकफास्ट मीन्स नाश्ता. मॉर्निंग में मम्मा आपको कुछ देते हैं ना खाने के लिए, चाय, पोहा. व्हाट डू यू हैव? ब्रेड. व्हाट डू यू ईट? बिस्किट्स. अजून नाश्ता केला नाहीस तू? तुला आठवण नाहीये काय केलं होतं नाश्त्यामध्ये?
आज काय नाश्त्याला खाल्लीस?
Chapati.
Very good. You have healthy food in your nashta. Very good. In breakfast, you have healthy food, beta. Very nice. Okay. So having your breakfast, after breakfast, what do you do? You get ready for your online class, right? And after the online class, in the afternoon, what do you have? Lunch, right? Lunch होता है. Okay. After afternoon, afternoon के बाद में कौन सा day होता है, राजवीर? आफ्टरनून के बाद, आफ्टरनून के बाद कौन सा डे होता है? कौन सा टाइम होता है आफ्टरनून के बाद? मॉर्निंग, आफ्टरनून. आफ्टर आफ्टरनून which time is there? Let me see who is going to give me the answer. Yes, नाइट आता है. डायरेक्ट नाइट आता है बेटा. अथर्व जादव, आर यू देयर? यस, आपने रीनेम नहीं किया अथर्व. ओके, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अथर्व जादव. Very good, Rajveer. Now you can mute yourself. Yes. Okay. Now, Atharva, after afternoon. What is after afternoon? Afternoon के बाद क्या आता है? Evening time. Yes, evening time. So, what do you do during evening time? Evening time में आप क्या करते हो? खेलते हैं. Yes, you play during evening time. You all play. So we have a time. Yes or no? हमारा एक टाइम टेबल होता है. मॉर्निंग में हम क्या करते हैं, आफ्टरनून में हम क्या करते हैं, देन इवनिंग we play, and what else? After playing, पूरा इवनिंग खेलते ही हो आप. Yes. Then और क्या करते हो? स्टडी भी करते हैं. Yes, very good. We play and we also do study. Very good, Atharva. Now you can mute yourself. Okay. Now, children, so this is our daily routine. Yes or no? Clock shows us the time. and according to that we do our work. There are 24 hours in a day. In the morning we get up, we brush our teeth, we have our bath, we take our bath. Yes or no? We take our breakfast, हम breakfast करते हैं. Then we sit for the online classes. During the afternoon we have our lunch and we take a short nap. हम थोड़ा सा नींद भी करते हैं ना, थोड़ा सा सोते हैं. We watch TV. Okay, we take rest. And in evening time, during evening time what we do? We have our tea, हम थोड़ा snacks लेते हैं, and we play and we also study. And after evening, what comes after evening? Yes, here we can see. Everyone take out your textbook, open page number 55, write your CW, write today's date. Yes, so this is today's topic about day and night. Yes or no? During night, in the morning, that is 8 o'clock, everybody get up at 8 o'clock. सब लोग 8 o'clock को उठते हैं, and it is a morning time. Yes or no? MORNING, morning. So everybody keep your finger and repeat the spelling. MORNING, morning. Yes. So what can we see during the morning? मॉर्निंग टाइम में हमें क्या क्या दिखाई देता है? वी कैन सी द सन, वी कैन सी द क्लाउड, देयर इज ब्राइट लाइट एवरीवेयर. यस और नो? देयर इज लाइट एवरीवेयर. सब जगह पे रोशनी होता है. वी कैन फाइंड बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई एंड एवरीबडी स्टार्ट डूइंग देयर वर्क. सब लोग उठते हैं मॉर्निंग में एंड सब लोग अपना वर्क करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. यस और नो? एंड वी हैव अवर ब्रेकफास्ट. सी, इन द मॉर्निंग व्हाट डू वी हैव? वी हैव अवर breakfast. BREAKFAST, fast, breakfast. Yes or no? मॉर्निंग में जो हम नाश्ता करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? ब्रेकफास्ट. एंड आफ्टर मॉर्निंग at 1 o'clock what do we have? We have our lunch and it is also known as afternoon. Yes, afternoon time. Yes or no? After your lecture, आपके lecture के बाद में क्या होता है? Afternoon. AFTERNOON, noon, afternoon. Yes, after 12 o'clock, 12 बजे के बाद, it is afternoon. And what do we have? हम तभी क्या करते हैं? हम खाना खाते हैं ना afternoon में. Yes, so we have our lunch. We have दाल, rice, चपाती, भाजी, whatever मम्मा जो भी बनाते हैं हम afternoon में खाते हैं. That is known as our lunch. Yes or no? And then comes the evening time. In the evening, we play, we study, we have a tea and snacks. Yes or no? During evening time. And after evening, it is night time. कौन सा time होता है? Night. NIGHT, night. After 7 o'clock, 7 बजे के बाद में धीरे धीरे अंधेरा start हो जाता है. Yes or no? The sun goes and what comes? The moon comes up. Yes or no? sun चला जाता है and कौन आता है? चंदा मामा. moon आता है ना sky में. Yes, and everywhere you can find dark clouds. सब जगह पे अंधेरा हो जाता है. Yes or no? And the birds also go and sleep in their nest. सब लोग अपने अपने घर पे चले जाते हैं, कोई भी नहीं रहता है. And during the night what we do? We watch television with our family and we have our dinner. Yes or no? हम dinner करते हैं ना रात में सब family एक साथ बैठ के. Yes, we have our dinner. हम रात में जो खाना खाते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Dinner. DINNER. Dinner time. Yes, it is our dinner time. So this is our routine. So from morning till night, this is our routine. Yes, very nice. Now let us see the next. Coming to the next. So children, what we should eat in the breakfast? So everybody eats something different. सब लोग अपना अलग अलग नाश्ता करते हैं ना morning में. Somebody eats poha, उपमा. Somebody eats Kellogg's with milk. कोई कोई क्या करता है? चाय के साथ में बिस्किट खाते हैं. Somebody eats bread and jam. Some likes to eat parathas, chapati. Yes or no? Some likes to eat idlis, dosas and all during morning. Some likes to eat omelette, egg. So these are the breakfast we have in the morning. Yes or no? हम morning में आइसक्रीम खाते हैं, दाल चावल खाते हैं morning में? No. In the morning during breakfast we have little light food. हम हल्का खाना खाते हैं morning में. Yes or no? हम दाल चावल रोटी भाजी खाते हैं मॉर्निंग में? नो, वी हैव लाइट ब्रेकफास्ट लाइक पोहा, Upma, idli, dosas, bread omelette, bread jam, yes or no, or parathas. These are the morning breakfast, cereals and all. We take cereals, milk and everything, juice, tea or coffee in the morning, and that is known as breakfast. What it is known as? Breakfast. Yes or no? Yes. Morning में जो आप नाश्ता करते हो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Breakfast. Br. Breakfast. Yes. Here you can find the blending sound of BR. See, BR. Br. Breakfast. Yes. Now coming to the next. Now what we should eat in the lunch. अभी lunch में हमें क्या खाना चाहिए? Noodles खाना चाहिए, burger खाना चाहिए? Yes. No, we have to eat our proper lunch. Yes, Abhijit, it's okay, not an issue, beta. So, in lunch, we should have our proper diet, that is dal, rice, chapati, bhaji, salad. Yes or no? हमारे प्लेट में ये सब होना चाहिए, दाल, राइस, चपाती, भाजी, सैलेड and everything. Even if you are eating non-veg, आप non-veg खा सकते हैं. If you are vegetarian, you have to eat your vegetarian food. हम morning में breakfast करते हैं. Afternoon में हम noodles, burger खा सकते हैं? No. Can we eat that? No, because during the afternoon we should have our proper lunch. See here, you can see over here. Yes or no? These are the proper lunch. Dal, rice, chapati, bhaji. Yes or no? Egg curry, rice. Yes. So these are the proper lunch we have in the afternoon. हम afternoon में ये proper lunch करते हैं. Yes. So during the afternoon, what we have our lunch. LUNCH, lunch. Okay, now coming to the next, that is our dinner time. Yes, during dinner we also have, we eat little light. रात को हमें थोड़ा कम खाना खाना चाहिए. हमें आफ्टरनून में अच्छे से खाना खाना चाहिए, but during the night we should have a little light food, that is dal rice or dal khichdi, whatever you like to eat. Even you can have chapati and bhaji. Okay, so whatever you eat during the night, अब जब रात में खाना खाते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Dinner. What it is known as? Dinner. 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 So this is our dinner time. We should have light food during the night. रात को हमें थोड़ा light खाना खाना चाहिए. Pizza, burger, ये सब नहीं खाना चाहिए. नूडल्स वगैरह रात के टाइम पे नहीं खाना चाहिए. We should have our proper diet. If you don't like to eat, अगर आपको नहीं मन करता, at least आप दाल खिचड़ी या दाल राइस खा के आपको सोना है. Okay, so this is our routine from day till night. Okay, now coming to the next. Yes, now everyone open this page. Yes, see, here are the few things we do during the day. Okay, now this girl, see, you can see she wake up at what? She wake up at 6:45. Okay, and she brush her teeth, she have bath, she get dressed, she has her breakfast, she go to the school. आप भी मॉर्निंग में उठते हो, ब्रश करते हो, आप स्नान करते हो, आपका ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, देन यू सिट फॉर योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. आप भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए बैठते हो. अभी स्कूल्स तो सब बंद है, बट योर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस इज गोइंग ऑन. यस, एंड देन शी कम बैक टू होम. आफ्टरनून वो मैं क्या करती है, वो घर पे वापस आती है. आपका भी ऑनलाइन क्लास खत्म होता है 12 o'clock को आफ्टरनून टाइम में. देन व्हाट यू हैव, she eat her lunch. आप भी अपना lunch करते हो after the lectures. Yes, then it is study time, then play time in the evening. Yes or no? In the evening it is the study and play time. Then during the night she has her dinner. आप भी रात को dinner करते हो, and time for go to the bed. During the night we go to the bed. So this is our daily routine. So this is your daily routine. Okay, now coming to the next. Now let us solve the textbook page. Okay, so here I'm going to unmute Abhir Kamble. Yes, Abhir.
Yes, teacher.